Hey sassy friends, guess who's back? Back again. Or if you're new around here, Sandra, welcome to my channel. And if you don't already, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, which I'm still learning, and Google. I don't know how that works either, but follow me, you guys. Also, there will be links in the description box below for all of the ones, mainly Instagram and Facebook that I do, but you know, I'm still learning about the Twitter. All these new designs are from my shop, TheSassyClub.com, and if you haven't already checked them out, what you waiting for? I also have another release that I didn't post a video about because I'm a slacker, so if you want to check those out as well, go do that, guys, because these are super cute. This is my first time using this floral banners one, so I just decided to run an eraser over it. I try to have fresh stamps to use for the video, and I'm just using some of the black sassy ink, which also works better if you run an eraser first over it, because with the new stamps sometimes they have a little residue. I went ahead and stamped all of these images so that I could decide which ones I was ultimately going to use for this layout, and I actually am very proud to say that I used most of these images, which doesn't always happen. Sometimes I stamp out a lot of stuff and then I don't know what I'm actually going to use. So let's get coloring. This is my favorite part, and yes, I did drink coffee before this video. I'm just gonna put that out there and you do with it as you will. And I'm just coloring in the little tree with a nice fluorescent green color, and then I'm going in and coloring the bunnies, and I thought it would be fun not to do a white bunny and just to do a multicolored bunny, because you know, I like to keep it versatile like that. Also, I just thought he looked really cute with the different patterns and stuff like that. And then I'm coloring in, you know, while I have the brown out, might as well color in other things. So I try to do things in levels like that, do whatever certain colors I'm going to do at a certain time. I didn't necessarily do that the whole time because I should have done the leaves and the banners as well while I was doing the trees, but you know, we try. We do try. And so that's why I'm just working on these next. And then I think Y21 is like the perfect banana color, as weird as that sounds. It is. So I colored this banana in this. If you like a more yellow banana and not such a muted pastel-y tone, then you could definitely go for like more of a Y18 color, but I just kind of like a more muted banana, and it still looks pretty vibrant to me. So, and then I went ahead and cut all of these goodies out, and we will have some dies releasing in the mid-April time. So if you want some dies for those banners as well as Darla Reeds and some other sets that we've released, be sure and check out the website and follow me on Instagram. And also we have a business Facebook page as well. That's the Sassy Club LLC on Facebook. So I'm doing this technique that I do pretty often where I mask off using post-it note tape, and then I create a pattern within a box. Sometimes I fill the whole box with a pattern, other times I don't. Sometimes I do colors, and then sometimes I like to do just the outside borders and leave white on the inside of the boxes. So it's really up to personal preference, basically. I decided that I wanted to have a few banners scattered around this layout, and something that I do sometimes is also take a picture of where I have things before I glue them down so that I have an idea of what I want to do for the layout. I went ahead and added a bunch of Mr. Bunnies, Lou here, and I'm sorry, but that banana bunny, who wouldn't love Wednesday, hump day, when they have that freaking banana there? It's a freaking rabbit and a banana. I'll stop talking now. Then I added the little cleaning dishes, which is from the Darla Cook set, and I mean, if you're gonna have to do dishes, it might as well look cute on your planner, am I right? Can I get an amen, ladies? Oh, I hate doing dishes, you guys, so it has to look at my planner so that I'm even tempted to follow through with said cleaning. And then I think that it's perfect to add this bunny as like my coffee run, which happens almost every day of the week, let's be real. And you know, he could be drinking a tumbler with tea in it, but for me, I decided it was coffee, you know? I gotta have my go-go juice, as Honey Boo Boo would say. And then I'm binge watching Santa Clarita Diet on Netflix. You guys have to watch the show. They're on the second season now, but I'm on the second season, but they have a first and second season, and my goodness, I'm addicted to that show. It has to do with zombies, and it is a little bit gory, so if you're not into that kind of thing, then don't watch it. And if you're a kid watching this, ask your parents. But honestly, it's really good. I love it, so I'm all about that. If you like that other zombie show they had a while back on Netflix, you'll like this one. I can't remember the name right now, but this one's even funnier because it's got Drew Barrymore in it. I'm just saying, I'm putting it out there. So I put yes because everyone loves a good weekend, and I actually forgot to show you guys the cartoon alpha that we released to this release. I don't know why I didn't have it in the stack, but basically those letters that say yes, that's the cartoon alpha. I stamped these out and completely forgot to show it on camera, so you know, fail number one, because I haven't haven't done a video in a while, so I'm a little bit feeling rusty right now. Then I also added the words park as well, and then since I actually am doing some meal prepping and trying to get healthy, I figured this would be the perfect thing to use to kind of write out what my schedule or menu is going to be for the week on the Wednesday, because sometimes I try to do my shopping and cooking on Wednesdays versus Sundays. It really just depends on what day I remember that I should be doing it. So, and then I just put diet because by then I'm going to be on this weight loss kick for 2 months by that date. Not a full 2 months, but I'm pretty excited to just kind of, you know, have that visual there so that I can look back and see how long I've been doing it. And then I added a few other elements, as you can see, butterflies as well from that same Lou the Rabbit set. And then I pulled out Sassy Holidays, which is like the perfect set to have lots of different little icons for all year round. And I put Easter Day, and then that little cross is also from Sassy Holidays as well. And I have one that's kind of similar in my Bible journaling set as well, which you can check out if you so choose. So yeah, that's what we're doing there, and I'm really excited for Easter, so I thought I would mark it. And then I used a little bit of the green ink from the Spooktacular set, and there we have it, you guys. This felt really short compared to my other videos, but I hope you guys still liked it. And if you missed me, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll have some more coming up soon.